Love potatoes but don't have a big backyard? No problem. Today I'll show you how to grow your own potatoes, right in containers. Whether you have a patio, balcony, or just a tiny garden, this step-by-step guide will get you harvesting spuds in no time. Let's start with what you'll need. First, get certified seed potatoes. Don't use store-bought ones, they're often treated to stop sprouting. Next, choose containers at least 12 inches deep and wide. Grow bags, buckets, or storage bins all work, as long as they have good drainage holes. Use a loose, well-draining potting mix. You can mix your own with compost, cocoa coir, and sand. Grab a trowel or gloves and use organic fertilizer. Look for something balanced, like a October 10th 10 blend. When you've got your seed potatoes, check their size. If they're large, cut them into golf ball-sized chunks, with 1-2 eyes on each piece. Let the pieces dry for a day or two to form a callus. That helps prevent rot after planting. Start by filling your container about 1/3 full with potting mix. The goal is light, airy soil so potatoes can expand easily. Mix in compost or a slow-release fertilizer now. It gives your plants a strong start as roots begin forming. Place each seed potato eye-side up, spaced evenly apart. For a 10-gallon container, 3 or 4 pieces is perfect. Cover with 3-4 inches of soil, but don't fill the container yet. We'll add more soil later. Water thoroughly and make sure your container has proper drainage so roots don't stay soggy. When your potato plants are about 6 to 8 inches tall, it's time to hill them. That means gently adding more soil around the stems, leaving just the top few inches exposed. Why do this? Because potatoes grow along the stem, and hilling gives them more room to produce tubers. Repeat this every 2 weeks until the container is almost full. Potatoes love moisture but hate wet feet. Water deeply, but only when the top inch of soil feels dry. Mid-season, feed them again with compost tea or a balanced fertilizer. Also, inspect for pests, aphids, beetles, or mites. Pick them off or use an organic spray if needed. After about 10 to 12 weeks, you can harvest baby potatoes. For full-size ones, wait 16 to 18 weeks. When the leaves turn yellow and wilt, stop watering for 1-2 weeks. Then it's harvest time. Tip the container over, loosen the soil, and it's like digging for treasure. The moment never gets old. Once harvested, don't wash them right away. Let your potatoes dry and cure in a cool, dark place for about a week. This toughens the skins and improves storage. After curing, store in paper bags or mesh baskets in a pantry or basement. Avoid plastic bags or the fridge. Quick tips before you go. Don't overcrowd, stick to 3-4 seed potatoes per container. Always hill. More soil means more potatoes. If your leaves yellow early, check for blight or poor watering. Use food-safe containers. No painted wood or untreated metal. Potatoes are one of the easiest crops to grow in containers. Perfect for balconies, patios, or even rooftops. With a little care, you'll get an impressive harvest and a whole lot of satisfaction. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a like and hit subscribe for more home gardening how-tos. Let me know in the comments how your container potatoes turn out.